So for task 2.3, just going to show a little video about how I set up the Morse code blink on the particle system here. So the initial code looks something similar to this, where you are simply just turning on and off the LED light. You can see at the top where you're initializing the LED, so like which pins they're connected to in the setup, saying that the pin modes, so LED 1, LED 2, aka the LED that's on the particle system, as well as the LED we've attached as part of the circuit. And down the bottom you can see the loop. So we begin by setting it up as a high, aka turning the light on, delaying that for 1 second, then we set it to low, aka off, for another 1 second. Here you can see the code in practice. Now, when we are setting up the code to be usable in the Morse code sets, what you could do is in the loop down here, copy and paste those and alter this to be, say, 2 seconds, and this to be either 2 seconds for a long or 500 to show that this is a short on off. Then you could copy and paste those down to show all the different letters in the Morse code alphabet. However, obviously that is a very wasteful with time management, as it is very manual with what you have to do to alter it. So in order to adjust that, what you can do is have a code which is a bit more substantial, however lets you change individual input strings quite easily. At the top here we still have the 2 LEDs, however here we're classifying some more variables. So in here, character is an array of characters, which is the name that we're going to input into the system. It will then pass this, so the length of the string, just the amount of characters, and then in the setup, setting it up as normal. In the loop here, which is the main loop, what it's doing, it's passing the information that's in the input string, and then it's going to run it through my void, which is called alphabet. Now, alphabet, as you can see here, is a list of every single letter in the Morse code alphabet based on a blink short or a blink long, and all these come from my void blink long or my void blink short, as you can see there. So although it is quite time consuming to set up, what you can see here is that it is quite easily updated. So I'm just going to flash that quickly over to the particle system. So this first one is going to be for Michelle. There you go, M-E-C. Check out C, should be long, short, long, short. And here we are, blink long, blink short, blink long, blink short. Now, because we have it set up this way, it's quite easy to change it around. So let's type in Lachlan. Flash that over. So we'll just see the first letter L. So L is a short, long, short, short, as we saw before. So in general, what you want to try and do is set up something like this so that you create the code once, but you're able to reuse it over and over again. Hopefully you guys got a little bit of information out of this.